Hello, artists. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Jack from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Very exciting. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to be drawing his head up here. So it's just going to come around like that, kind of like a U. And then it's going to come down and around like that. Okay, and he's got one eye right here, another eye right here, and they are dark. I think I'm going to make this one. There we go. I like that better. And then he's got two little dots right here for his nose, and then his mouth just comes kind of straight across, and it's got some lines in it, just like that. And if you want, you can kind of bring it up just a little bit. All right, then he's got this skinny little neck coming down out of his head, and then under his skinny little neck there's an arched line with upside down V's. Yes, this is his cat pendant that he wears. And they've got some big cat eyes. I'm going to leave a little white in there. And then, what else did I put in there? And if you want, you could draw a little of that. Okay, so then we've got his collar, which is 3 letter V's that are all kind of sideways. There we go. Then he's got a collar. We'll bring that up there. He's got a collar that comes down, comes back up, and then back in because of the way his body's posed. And then we've got one, what would that be? Is that a collar? Yeah. All right. Then, right about here where that V is, we're going to bring it in to match up and down like this. Okay. Then over here, kind of at the edge of this V, it's going to come down and get pretty skinny through here. All right. Then it's going to come back out and back up, and we'll do more with that in a minute. All right. So then for his arm, it's going to come out because it's on his hip, come back around, and then we're just going to take it back out and around and back up here, and we'll draw a little line for where it's sewn on. Then we've got kind of a circle right here, another circle there, an oval there, another oval, and then we're gonna do just some shadow, or like another one that's kind of behind there, and that's his one arm. Then we're gonna do his other arm, so it's gonna come down, come back up, come out, come back down, and back over, and it'll just kind of go under this collar part. All right, then we have a piece right here, and then we have an oval, another oval, another oval. These are his skeleton fingers. And then we've got an oval, another little oval there for his thumb. Then we have another kind of partial oval right there. And then another little oval like that. And there is his other hand. Okay, now for his legs. So I'm going to come down here. they're gonna kind of kick back a little bit, like so. And then it's gonna come back up. And it's gonna match up with this line right here. Then we have another leg. It's coming down and then coming back. And then all you see here is his shoe because it's overlapping. So then this comes back and then this goes up and it gets a little bigger back there. And then right here we've got his shoe. Okay, there's that. And then we've got his stripes. So he's got stripes going this way on this part of his jacket. Lapel? Is that what that's called? I'm having a total brain fart on that. Oh, and then we forgot this line right here because it's like a tuxedo jacket. And then he's got another line coming down here for the bottom of his jacket and another line here and there because, you know, this is the jacket with the tails on it. Okay, then we've got some lines coming up because he's wearing a pinstripe suit. And then we've got lines coming this way and lines coming this way. And then we've got lines coming this way. There we go. That looks like Jack. All right. So now we are going to draw like some background. So I'm gonna put the moon right here because that's like the imagery that the Nightmare Before Christmas has. Okay, and I think I'm gonna draw the little curly thing, and even though this is not what the thing is on the Nightmare Before Christmas, that's okay. And I think I'm just gonna make this be kind of, yeah, I think that looks good. All right, and so now I'll have an opportunity to do some really interesting color because he's all black and white. Should we put a little shirt accent here? I like that. That looks good. Okay, hey, if you enjoyed this drawing, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.